Off. Hi everyone, this is the No Added Salt Guy, and Sunday, April 12th was National Grilled Cheese Sandwich Day. So here what I'm doing is I'm sauteing fresh spinach in some hot giardinara. You can use mild giardinara if you'd like, then remove it from the pan. What I did then was I've got a couple of thick slices of Italian bread. I'm using Marconi bread. I buttered them with garlic butter. Let them brown for a little bit. You don't want them to cook all the way because they're going to go back into the pan when you melt the cheeses and add the toppings. Remove one of the slices. And here what you're going to do is you're going to start melting the cheeses. So I'm putting them in the pan. This isn't that big a deal. You just get them soft enough to put them back on the bread. That way it doesn't have to cook too long in the pan. I'm using Asiago. I'm using provolone. I'm using Fontina. And I'm using mozzarella cheeses. Next, add the spinach back in and some sliced Roma tomatoes and let those saute a little bit. You noticed I pulled the pan a little bit off of the burner. That way the sandwich itself doesn't burn on the bottom, and all you're doing is really sauteing the tomatoes and the spinach. Put the other slice on top of it and cover it. Let the cheeses melt. Here, I'm just going to flip the sandwich and serve. Beautiful, isn't it? No added salt guy. Less salt every day.